So, kind of residing where it's supposed to be. We have to wire everything, but the center part of the dash and the driver's side portion, they're attached. They're located. All their wiring is chilling back there.
Yeah.
I'm building our harness in the engine bay from our new sending units for our digital badass.
Dude, they are. They're. I don't
Yeah.
care. I have never worked with a set of these, so that's why I'm kind of hanging back and I'm learning from you because I've never done them. So I'm not afraid to say, hey, I'm willing to learn something new that I've never done.
But they're going to be
But
bitchin'.
Dude, I'm almost thinking I wonder if they make them for one of my cars. I mean, I really, really like them. I think they're that bad. It's coming out. I mean, it's slow, it's tedious, but we do have a lot of extras that we're routing for him because the new stereo is Bluetooth capable to answer his phone, which is great.
The Bluetooth has auxiliary.
We have our auxiliary
USB.
here,
That's our USB. It's got auxiliary too.
So I need to route that, but I want to make it look like it's all completely factory. I don't want anything to be seeable if I don't have to. The microphone, I want to try and hide it so that it can't really be seen, but it'll pick up your voice good enough.
We're waiting on Mo to get back to us on that. He may be in the air.
Yeah. He had some issues that came up that had to be addressed, and
he had to go to.
He's in our prayers.
Yeah, we love Mo.
Yep.
Mo's great. So project is coming along.
Yeah,
I know it looks
we're
not pretty right now,
Yeah.
but you know what? It's an improvement.
It's a massive improvement. It's been a while since I've done a C3, and I wanted to have the dash top in and put the B pillars in, and just kind of. And you can't.
We did mock it up though.
Yeah, everything's working good that way. So what I can do is I'll probably make my speaker wires, route those real quick, get that routed to go down to the stereo, because I've got the rears already ran and done.
You can hook those up, actually.
Yeah, I can. Well, no, not yet. No, because the speaker one is here.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's its own. Yeah.
Yeah, it's got its own. I still got to do power and stuff like that. I still got a couple things I got to route, but I can't really do that until more of this is done.
Yeah.
Only because that's just got to be how it is, plain and simple.
So up here, I'm working on our routing. I did get our oil pressure sender in where it's supposed to go. It's down here in here. See it? There it is down there, right under the distributor. I've already got my ground on it that I've made. I'm going to make my feed, and then we're going to bring all those wires together nicely, and they will be wrapped and look OEM, and no one's going to know better. It's going to look great. It's just, boy, is it a project. Oh my God, Scotty's bringing me water. He read my mind. I'm dying.
Yeah.
I'm thirsty.
It's what, 102 today, I think, again?
I think it's just a little under 100 today. It's the last of the hot days, Scotty.
I know, right?
Scotty. It's the last of the hotties.
Okay, I'm not doing real bad, and it's 95 degrees in the shop. It's pretty sad when you can say, oh, it's only 95. It's not that bad.
Well, I think max is at 99, and it's been 120 something in here above.
Oh, yeah. I think the worst we had was when we had that 122 or 23 outside, and it was 127 in the shop. We went through, what was it, three or four cases of water.
Our water bill was
2.5 days.
Yeah, we were drinking water. We weren't even peeing. So I'm getting this all wired up. It's going to be all nice. Everything's going to be labeled. We're going to get it all together inside, and then it's going to get wrapped and going to be splendid.
I'm thinking, because of what you have to route, I'm thinking here.
Yeah, I was going to go right through there.
And we may have to get a rubber grommet.
A grommet, yeah.
So that we can keep everything dry and safe, that no water's getting in. Because I just thought about it. I'm like, I don't want to have to put any more holes in this thing.
Yeah, no, we just open up, put plenty in them anyway.
Yeah, and we still got to plug this up.
Yeah, we can handle that.
And we still got to drill that.
Gotcha.
So we need. I'll start making a list.
Make that list. I got to work on our AC lines too. But I really got to get this wiring situated first. And I got to get all the fan control wiring done too, because there's a lot still that has to be done on that.
So, well, I've got all the
you got the big ones,
yeah,
but I got all the little ones I have to do.
Yeah. So I mean, we got a little bit left to go that way, but I mean, we're getting there. We're on the final leg, and it's the finishing touches. Granted, we're not the holy shit, you know, pimp my ride, you know, perfect, blah, 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 blah. But we'll get it as close as we possibly can.
Mo must have read our minds while we're shooting video. He just sent me a text.
Okay.
Please put it on the windshield post for the microphone. And he is on the plane.
Okay,
We
so
were right. So on the A-pillar.
somewhere on the A-pillar or just...
Tucked. Like maybe down here, just a little...
I'll figure it out.
Figure it out,
I'll figure it out.
A-pillar
I've got to
by
make
the
a little
windshield.
bracket to make it extend a little bit.
On the post by the windshield.
Yeah,
Perfect.
I can do that.
That's crazy. We were shooting the video and he texted
Hey.
right now. It
Yep.
came up and I read it as you were talking and I never stopped rolling.
Yep, even better. I love it when that
Look at
happens.
We working good. All right, so I'm going to continue on this. I know you and I got to leave in half an hour to go to the chiropractor.
Yep.
Then after that, I'm going to come back here and wire more.
We got to go get that car.
Yeah, I know it's on the way. Well, it's
Oh, the
kinda-
car's coming to us?
Yeah, I got to go get it. It's coming here.
Oh, I thought they were going to bring it to us.
No, we got to go get it on the
Gotcha,
way.
gotcha. Okay. I just wanted to make sure I was on the same page.
Basically, you just drop me off after the chiropractor, and then I bring it here.
Is there any issues with it running?
Probably.
Driving? You want me to just follow you back here?
Probably.
Yeah, I think that'll be the best bet. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll follow you back here.
Okay, so we got a plan.
Okay, where?
Get it. Well, where my truck is. It's fine. It's fine.
It's fine!
It ain't gonna take too long. It's fine.
Okay.
All right. So back on this for a little bit. Then we got to go to the chiropractor. Then I'll be back on this more later this afternoon.
Yeah.